Consider the statements. Statement P is Peter works hard. Statement Q is Peter will pass his examination. Write in symbolic form. Either Peter works hard or he will not pass his examination. This is a multiple choice question. We have 4 options here, and so we will solve the question, and after that we will pick the correct option. This symbol is read as OR, and this symbol is read as AND. So the first option is P or Q. The second option is negative P and Q. The third one is P and Q. And the fourth one is P or negative Q. We have been given 2 statements. The statement P is Peter works hard, and statement Q is Peter will pass his examination. The question wants us to write either Peter works hard or he will not pass his examination in symbolic form. The first part of the statement is Peter works hard. That is given to us as statement P. So this is statement P. We have OR here, and as I said here, this symbol is read as OR. So we have P or. Let's consider the second part of the statement. He will not pass his examination. Statement Q is Peter will pass his examination. The second part of what we have here is he will not pass his examination. If Q is Peter will pass his examination, then he will not pass his examination will be the negative of Q. So he will not pass his examination is the negative of Q. So it means that in symbolic form, either Peter works hard or he will not pass his examination will be written as P or the negative of Q. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is D, P or the negative of Q.